Welcome to the 2026 Release Wave 1 version of Business Central. This is the launch edition, and the video here you're seeing here is about enhanced finance analytics. We invested in this for three things: better reports, faster reports, and in-client analysis of things related to finance. You see some icons here. That means that there are additional videos that you can go and check out. But in this video, I'm going to talk about added subtotals all the way down to analysis tabs. And then the other two here, go check out related videos for enhanced financial reporting and demo data. In the fall of 2025, we released a lot of Excel layouts for existing reports. And for finance, we did the 3 deferral reports for GL, purchase, and sales. We got some feedback that these reports were missing subtotals. So here you can see the version we shipped in the fall. In the pivot table, there's no subtotals. It's an easy change. You can do it on your own versions. But we are also shipping in Business Central out of the box the deferral reports with subtotals included. Another thing that actually the types of reports in Business Central that all started the Excel layouts wave was back in version 25. And here what we shipped back then was a lot of trial balance reports in finance and some other things. Those finance reports were not fast. So we took the time to actually performance tune them from the trial balance all the way down to trial balance previous year. And they run much faster. Now, when we mess with finance reports, we want to be a little bit careful. So therefore, we have put these new tuned reports under a feature management flag for now. In case something you find that they're not showing the right numbers, we try to test as much as we can. You can always go back to the old behavior, at least for this release wave and maybe the next one. But if you want to get the speed now, just toggle this and you will have much faster trial balance in Excel. And finally, we added for finance, in this release wave, it's possible to ship analysis views out of the box with the application. And therefore, we are shipping some of these to the finance area, specifically for GL registered and fixed asset ledgers pages. They now come with out-of-the-box analysis views. These are shipped in 28.x, so they're not in the April release yet, but they will come very soon. And if you want to see more examples of things that you can do with analysis mode in finance, go to Microsoft Learn and find the ad hoc analysis of finance data article. Here you see more examples of what we ship. Some of these examples require you to filter in on certain accounts or things in your chart of accounts. So these are not easy for us to ship out of the box, but you can create them very easily, copy the description of what to do into Copilot Analysis Assist, and it will give you these additional reports or analysis. I also want to highlight or do a commercial of enhanced financial reporting session. So go check the link. There's a ton of things happening in financial reporting. If you watch this on financial analytics, you definitely want to see the things on financial reporting as well. And just a short bonus related to finance, we are adding new demo data in fixed assets for transactions data for acquisitions and depreciations. Because this come out of the box in a demo company, you can do a lot better, easier. You are able to demo all the reports that exist in fixed assets, at least if they are in these two, acquisitions and depreciations. There's a full session on demo data. If that's your thing, go to the description and see that as well. Anything related to financial analytics is described under aka.ms/BC Finance Analytics. That's the landing page for everything, financial reporting, built-in reports, Power BI, you name it. So if you don't know this resource, there's a gold mine of examples and things where it can make your finance life much easier. And if you think that this is too much, why not try the new Copilot in Microsoft Learn, where you can get an AI summary of any of these pages, especially for the built-in finance reports. There are a lot. So maybe have an AI to summarize what's there and then dive further in. I mentioned the enhanced financial reporting related session, so go definitely check that out. And other related sessions, if you're interested in analytics, span from sales analytics all the way down to enhanced demo data or analysis mode. Those links are also in the description of this video, so go check that out as well. After my goodbye, there is a little bit on general Business Central resources. If you know them already, here, skip this. If you don't, stay tuned or keep watching the video. For now, financial analytics is over. This video is over. I wish you a great day and see you in another time. Bye. We have compiled a number of general resources that we believe are key both for partners but also Business Central customers. Some of these are partner, some of them are also for customers. So the first one is called aka.ms/BC All. This is a partner resource that contains lists of every other AKA link that is needed for you to understand anything about both the Business Central product, but also processes around it. We call these AKA links because they are called aka.ms and then / something. And with Business Central links, we always prefix with BC and then something. The next one is our partner network, social media for Business Central partners, Viva Engage. So aka.ms/BC Viva Engage is where you go and interact with other partners. It's not open for customers, so this is where you can ask questions, interact with the product group, interact with each other in a closed network. Third link is for both partners and customers. We are called office hours. So office hours is something we do once or twice a month from the product group, engaging with the community about new features or things we want to discuss. aka.ms/BC office hours is the place where you go to find out about upcoming events. These are recorded. I believe the recordings are available only to partners, but the live events are available to customers as well. Fourth link is YouTube, our YouTube channel. I'll talk about that in the next slide, and LinkedIn in the next slide. And then finally, for Microsoft partners, the BC's aka.ms/BC partner portal is where you get a lot of the resources as a partner, such as compete decks, pitch decks, and a lot of other resources. For LinkedIn, this is our product group's LinkedIn profile. We have 30K or more followers, so both partners and customers. This is the place where we from the product group put in news and small bits of information outside the quote-unquote official channel. So follow us on LinkedIn to learn what's happening right now around the product. And then also on our YouTube channel, this is where you're probably watching this, aka.ms/BC YouTube. We put in not only these launch editions twice a year, but also Copilot and AI videos, shorts, tips and tricks, technical deep dives, under the hood. We even have this What's Cooking, where we put little nuggets of videos out for new features that are even coming in on the YouTube channel before they're coming in the release notes. So watch and maybe bookmark us on YouTube. And also notice all the playlists. So the content is also organized in areas, not only all the videos. So if you have an area that has special interests, such as analytics, you can find a playlist and kind of see all the content related to that. And that's it. That is truly it. We want, there would be no more. So thank you for watching all the way to the end. And again, have a great day. Thank you.